Good afternoon from South Alabama, everybody. I promised y'all a follow-up video on this 6150 when I got done with it, and I should have took it while I still had the mower off of the machine, but I can show you a little bit anyway of what we done here. Got the sides welded back in, and I V'd that out a little bit so we could get a good deep weld on it, but I had to do some welding a little bit all over this machine. It had a couple of places that's pretty bad on it, but I shot some grease on it there. The customer didn't ask me to grease it, but I done that for my own sake to make me feel better. But she's working good now. Give you a little property scan here. We got 40 acres here. We got a few cattle. Anyway, that's all we got for today. Hope everybody has a good day.